Shorty wanna hop up on my wave like Geronimo. Pity pack, pick a pack, falling down like dominoes. Always keep the shine, I ain't talking about the mop and glow. Lights, camera, action.
Okay, what's up YouTube? It's your girl Lauren and I am back with another video. So before I even get into this video, smash the like button, give me a big old the biggest thumbs up you ever gave any YouTuber, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, because if you want more videos or whatever, you know, just subscribe and your girl gonna give it to you. So yeah, so today I'm gonna be doing something a little bit different. I am going to be trying out, first of all, y'all, can we just take a moment, because hold on, God is so good. I'm gonna replay the clip of me saying UNice hair should sponsor me. I got at least like 4 or 5 of these boxes because I'm always buying their hair. All right, they need to sponsor me. Comment down below, UNice, sponsor Sonya Lauren. Okay, so yeah guys, that was about 2 or 3 years ago, and I was like, tell UNice hair to sponsor me, and they actually saw that video, reposted that video, but nothing came from it. And then I got an email like 2 weeks ago from UNice hair, and thank you UNice for sponsoring this video. Basically, I'm gonna be trying on their headband wig. I've never worn a headband wig, so I'm just like super, like, I don't even know what to expect. That's why my hair looks so crazy. Y'all probably like, oh girl, like, get it done, like, do something with it, like, ASAP. This video is gonna be 3 different parts. The first part, I will be giving an initial review about the hair. The second part of the video, I will be showing you guys me installing the hair, and the third part of the video is me giving you my final like review and like how I feel about the headband wig. So if you don't want to watch the whole video, don't, just get to the part that you want to see, okay? This wig is the UNice headband human hair wig, water wave, glueless, non-lace front, machine made Brazilian virgin hair wigs. It is 150% density and it's an 18-inch. Okay guys? Okay loves, so this is the box that it comes in. It says Bet You series, and I think it's short for Better You. This is the hair. I'm so excited to dig into this and see how the hair is. So I'm gonna put that to the side. They also give you some bomb lashes, okay, but they kind of long, so I'm already knowing I'm gonna have to cut that, but that's cool. You get 1 headband, and then you also get another headband, so 2 headbands in total. This headband isn't really my style, but I appreciate the gesture. We don't get to choose the headband, so that sucks, and you get a wig cap. So yeah, it's pretty much everything that you get in the box, and I'm just laying it out to show you guys everything that you get. So it's pretty cool, and let's just open up this hair, see what's to it. When you open up the hair, you also see that red headband that comes with it. So yeah. So this is the actual wig. Let me make sure you guys can see it. And you have 1 large comb at the top. Let me show you guys this right here. You have 1 large comb, and then you also have the Velcro strap right here, like this. So this is the top of the wig, okay? And then you also have 1 large comb in the back. So we'll see how this goes. I'm actually like really nervous because it only has 2 combs. I'm gonna do a quick shed test because I be so thirsty to see, like, do this hair shed. All right, so we're gonna do it. Woo, child. Yeah, there's gonna be some shedding. Y'all know I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Okay, there's definitely gonna be some shedding with this hair, but other than that, I love the texture. I think it's really pretty. I'm just a little nervous about the shedding, but we'll see after I kind of like wet it and give it a nice like brush through, or whatever you want to call it. So yeah, the only thing that I'm noticing, the length does not seem the same throughout. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's kind of like shorter right here, and then it's like longer. So I don't really know about that, but we're gonna see. Okay, so now y'all finna watch me put this on. I have to transform my hair to be able to put the wig on, so I'm gonna just throw my hair in like a slit back ponytail. Y'all gonna watch me do it. Like, it's not gonna be nothing serious. So let's get it, let's go. Okay y'all, let's just get right into transforming my hair. So I'm going to be using Eco Styling Gel. I am also going to be using this edge control, the 24-hour Even edge control. And last but not least, I will be using some water to kind of damp my hair, get it really wet so it's easier to work with. I'm just parting it in two and going right through, combing it through, you know, damping it with water, trying to get it really wet so I can lay it down, shorty, because your hair got to be like really slick for the wig. So okay, so I'm going in with my Eco Styling Gel, and I'm just gonna put this across the top of my head like so. I'm just slicking it back, brushing it through, making sure I get that slick back ponytail that I'm going for. And I just keep adding Eco Styling Gel, I keep adding water, I keep brushing it. So once I get it like as flat as I can, I move straight into my edges, y'all. This is my favorite part, laying the edges down. So I'm sorry, I wanted to show you guys, but I needed to get really close to the mirror to make sure I do like the swoop properly. So I'll show you guys when I'm done, but basically I just laid my edges down like this. And I use the Even 24-hour and I use some Eco Styling Gel because my edges be moving all over the place. So now I'm just getting my wig cap. You will need the wig cap that it comes with. And I'm just putting it like halfway on, not all the way to the front of my head, just halfway. Here's me being goofy, y'all already know. So I just brushed out the wig and I just threw it back. Like y'all literally just threw it back, and I made sure that the comb tucked into my hair at the front. Next, I am securing the Velcro at the back. Y'all, this Velcro is amazing. Like, it definitely helps to keep the wig secure on your head. Okay, so I just wanted to bounce back on camera, you feel me? I just wanted to get back on camera to tell you guys, I literally just installed this wig in like like not even 5 minutes. Like, this is wild. Like, I mean, it took a while for me to lay my hair down, but like I knew that was gonna happen. But like, y'all, it took like 10 minutes. Like, wow. And it's really like secure. Like, who gonna snatch your wig? Who gonna snatch your wig, sis? Who gonna snatch your wig? Nobody. The only thing I'm gonna do is like fix my edges, because y'all see how it look. I don't like how it looks, so I'm just gonna fix my edges a little bit. So let me do that and I'm gonna get back to y'all. Okay, now I'm going to get my headband and put my headband on. So I kind of wish that the headband was like thicker, but I think it'll suffice for now. And that's it, sis. I'm just gonna wet the hair a little bit just to show you guys how the hair looks when it's a little bit wet. I just want to show you guys the texture of the hair, which is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. This is pretty much the texture. Okay guys, what do you guys think? Personally, I like it. I just am trying to figure out how in the world am I gonna get this hump from behind my head. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it, but that hump from the ponytail, I could feel it, you know? So other than that, I really like the hair. It does shed a lot though, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. Like, it does shed. I'm not gonna wet it anymore. Y'all pretty much get the texture, but I do want to try to put it up in a ponytail. So let's try how that would look. So I wouldn't be able to put it up in a ponytail because, as you guys can see, my head is really, really small and you can't adjust this part. So for all my small head ladies out there like me, we just SOL, okay? So yeah, I won't be able to put it in a ponytail for y'all. I really wanted to, but I'm not even gonna waste my time because it's not gonna work. I think it's cute though. I'm looking at myself in the viewfinder, so. But yeah, I think I like it. Very unique. They always coming up with some stuff, y'all. They always coming up with some stuff. Click that subscribe button. Tell me what you guys think about this headband wig. Leave your comments down below. Give me a big old thumbs up. Remember to cherish your body and love your skin, because baby girl, that's where it all begins, okay? I love you guys.
Cause I'm the MVP, most valuable. Cause I'm the MVP, most valuable. Yeah, I'm the MVP, most valuable player, That's who I be.